Nothing is quite as brutish as life among civilized man. The sudden violence and uncertainty of primitive life can hardly compare to the degradations of our society. A moment's weakness and we are at the mercy of monsters. Real ones too, not the supernatural figures of the savage's imagination. Power is a means of protecting ourselves against the cruelty, indifference, and ruthlessness of other men. This does not mean that we have to become monsters ourselves. Whether or not power is, as Henry Kissinger says, the ultimate aphrodisiac, and one hope it's not. In itself, it is neither good nor evil. We can learn to use it in order to be more free, to make life happier and more productive for ourselves and others. Or we can use it as a vehicle of an ego, which takes no consideration of guilt and innocence, but merely of what it can get. The objective of power is to survive in a difficult world. The successful exercise of power, like a satisfactory sex life, tends to make people feel good about themselves, whatever the real state of their health. And constant excitement tones up the system wonderfully. Not surprisingly, many people of power are hypochondriacs. On the one hand, they want to command and control. On the other, they want to be comforted and appreciated. One way of bridging those conflicting demands is to suffer openly, publicly, constantly, to show by coughing, sneezing, groaning, limping, and wheezing that they are stretched beyond endurance by the demands of power. The complaints of powerful people about stress, tension, and overwork are mostly bogus, and when they're real, they're self-imposed. Perhaps herein lies a key to the difficulty we have in coping with power. It is perhaps the most personal desire we have, since even the intimacy of sex is usually shared with someone else. Power, by contrast, is private passion. The winning and the losing are internal. Only we can know whether or not we've won our game.